Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be showing you guys how to make this amazing creamy garlic shrimp pasta. This recipe is so easy to make and it tastes as good as it looks, y'all. I can't wait to show you guys how it's done. But before I begin, if you are new, don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you enjoyed the video as usual, please give it a thumbs up for me. Without further ado, let's jump right in. Alright guys, here are the ingredients as usual. The measurement will be below in the description box. We have some paprika, some Old Bay seasoning, we have some lemon pepper. We're using different seasoning, y'all. And also we have some minced garlic, and also we have some good old dry parsley, and as well as some chopped onion, and we're using some pepper jack cheese for some good old flavor. Okay, now we also have some unsalted butter, and of course you cannot forget the Parmesan cheese. We have the Parmesan cheese to make it nice and creamy and with that authentic creamy flavor. This is the pasta that I'll be using. You can use any type of pasta, whatever floats your boat. I'm okay with that. And as well as the shrimp, and of course we have the heavy cream. Measurement will be in the description box. Check that out. First thing I'm going to be doing is boiling my pasta according to the packaging. Once my water is nice and hot, we're going to pour in the pasta just like this and let it boil until it's al dente. Once my pasta is nice and cooked, what I'm going to be doing is pour out the hot water and pour some cold water to it to stop it from cooking. Then we're going to move on to the shrimp. For the shrimp, I'm sprinkling or drizzling a little bit of olive oil on there. That way my seasoning can stick. And then we're going to be adding the seasoning. I am going to be adding in the Old Bay seasoning as well as the paprika. We're going to save the lemon pepper for later, so keep on watching to see how I incorporate the lemon pepper in there. So we're going to give that a nice mix just like that until all of the seasoning are well combined with the shrimp. Then we're going to be cooking our shrimp. Now in a hot skillet, I am going to be adding in my butter. Once that is nice and melted, we're going to cook the shrimp. Y'all know shrimp doesn't take a long time to cook. I can't emphasize this enough, y'all. Do not overcook the shrimp. That is one of my biggest pet peeve ever. If it happens once, don't let it happen twice. Okay, we're going to cook the shrimp for about a minute to 2 minutes per side until it's cooked, or until it's pink basically. Then flip it over and cook the other side, so in total of 4 minutes. Once the shrimp is nice and cooked, we're going to remove it and set it aside. Now, if you are watching me by now, you haven't subscribed, please consider to subscribe today. If you like this video, I guarantee you will like my other videos. So please don't forget to subscribe and let me know you know in the comment section so I can give you a nice warm welcome. Now, my shrimp is nice and cooked. It's looking very golden brown, like the color is popping. We're going to remove it, set it to side for now. Now we're going to be moving on to the onion. We're going to be adding in the onion in there. That way the onion can deglaze all of that, you know, seasoning at the bottom of the pan. Just add your onions, stir it just like this. Right after a minute later, I am going to be adding in the garlic, the minced garlic. Now I'm adding in the garlic just like that. We're going to be cooking the garlic until it's nice and fragrant, or until it's nice and golden brown. As usual, that means it's cooked. Okay, then we're going to be adding in our heavy cream. Once I'm done adding my heavy cream, also I'm going to be adding a little bit of water, about a quarter cup of water in the bowl that I was seasoning the shrimp in. I am going to pour it in my pan as well, just to, you know, remove all of the nice flavor, the seasoning from the bowl, just like that. About a quarter cup, not even. Okay, now I am going to give it a stir. Then we're going to be adding in the lemon pepper. Add your lemon pepper, stir it, and let it simmer. At this point, do not cook it on high heat, medium low at this point. And y'all see me just added the dry parsley. Now I'm going to be adding in my cheese. I'm adding the Parmesan cheese. Now, if you are making any type of pasta with cheese, make sure you are using a name brand cheese. If you're using, you know what, other kind of cheese, it is not going to taste like this right here, because this right here, I'm using real authentic name brand type of cheese to make the flavor way richer and way better. Okay, now I am going to be adding in my pasta. Just pour that in just like that. You don't have to use the same shape that I use. Any type of pasta will be good for this recipe. I just had that kind in my pantry. I just picked it up and make this recipe for y'all. Okay, so now I'm going to be adding in the shrimp. Y'all, look how good the shrimp look. What? Just add that in, stir it together. All of that flavor, that goodness going to be in this sauce. Now is the time to taste it to see if you need salt or pepper or more seasoning. I didn't need any. I didn't add any more. So yeah, just mix everything together, and basically that is the recipe. It's that quick, so easy, less than 30 minutes to make. I guarantee you will enjoy this if you're a pasta lover. And basically that's the recipe, y'all. I hope y'all enjoy this one. I enjoyed it. It looks good. It tastes as good as it looks. I hope you guys try this out for your family, okay? And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up for me. If you enjoy it, please don't hesitate. Give it a thumbs up. Come on, help your sister out. Give it a like, and also subscribe if you are new. Leave me a comment below. Let me know if you're going to try this out, or if you make, you know, creamy shrimp pasta before you make yours like this. Let me know in the comment. I would love to know, so let me know in the comment. Oh my goodness, so creamy, so good. And what you'll see on top of it is just a little bit of Cajun seasoning I sprinkle on top with a little bit of dry parsley, just to make it look more pretty, more gorgeous, more beautiful. Thank you for watching, guys. I appreciate every single one of you guys who's been supporting me and rocking with me. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Don't forget to like it, like I said, subscribe if you're new, and I'll see you guys soon, as usual, on the next recipe. Bye.